this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my honest review about the Advanced Korean Skin Lotion. Let me make it a little bit clear for you guys to see it. This is like the top lotion in 2025. And so many people, I believe, are so inquisitive to know if this lotion is good and also know the pros and cons. And you also want to know how to use it at the end of this video, because I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can actually use it. So I've been using this lotion for like 2 months. I actually got this lotion for 16,000 naira. So when you want to get yours, please price it very well, because I have seen a lot of people say they got this lotion for 14,000, for 15,000. So you want to get yours at a place where they sell at cheaper price. So from the 3rd day of using this body lotion, I started noticing a remarkable glow and shine on my skin. Like, if you're someone that have been using lotions before and you don't get a shine or glow on your skin until you add body oil to your skin, this lotion did that wonders. Like, you don't even need to apply body oil on your skin to get that radiance or shine with this body lotion. So from 1 week of using this lotion, I started noticing my skin got lighter. That 1 week lighter shade that I was getting from this lotion, I was really honestly loving it. So fast forward to like a month of using this lotion, my skin got like 3 shades lighter. So now I actually see some persons, like I've seen one person, let me be specific, said this lotion darkened their skin. I was quite surprised because this lotion gave me like 3 shades lighter. Saying that this lotion actually got them darker, well, I just have to believe that everybody's skin is different, so everybody will get their own results differently. But one thing, you should also be aware that this lotion has other variants. I think there's one in white and there's one in I think a darker shade of this. So these are other variants of this lotion. So when you are getting it, you should be specific of which of the Advanced Korean Skin Lotion you are getting. So I have not used any of the other variants. This is the particular one I have used, and every review I'm going to give today is just about this particular one. So this one gave me like 3 shades lighter. Then along the line, in that 1 month of use, I discovered that my veins were becoming super visible. Like, I was having green veins from using this lotion. And honestly, that is not like a healthy lotion for me. When I'm having green veins from a lotion, it means it's lightening my skin super fast. So that was a month's use of it. But at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to use it if you're also getting super lighter from the lotion. So this is the texture of this lotion. You can see how it looks like water on my palm right now. It is easily absorbed into the skin. You can see you're not even seeing like lines of cream on my skin right now. Unlike some lotion, when you apply it on your skin, you'll be seeing lines of the cream. Like, they're a little bit thick. This lotion is not thick, it is light moistured. It has a very good fruity smell. I don't think the fragrance might be too much, but for some people it might actually be too much if you are very sensitive to fragrance in products, because if the product actually indeed has a fragrance, but the fragrance is fruity, so you might like it, and it is easily absorbed into the skin, and it gives a radiant shine, and it sinks deep into the skin. I think that's one of the reasons why this lotion works so fast. This is not that lotion you'll be using, you'll be waiting for 3 months, 4 months to start getting results at all. You start getting results from this lotion from, let me say, 3 days, 1 week, 1 month of using this lotion. You will definitely start seeing your results. So another thing about this lotion that I'll quickly say is that if you know you have stretch marks on your skin, you really want to be careful with this lotion, because I earlier said this is a lightening lotion, and when you know that your skin is not really light and use a lotion like this to lighten up your skin, it's like you are stretching your skin. You are stretching your skin. But this lotion did not give me any stretch marks. But if you already have a stretch mark on your skin, this lotion will make it visible, because the lotion just lightens up your skin in a way that shows everything on your skin. Like, just try to show everything on your skin. So if you have stretch marks using this lotion, it becomes visible. And again, green veins, if you know you are very prone to green veins, this lotion will actually bring out your green veins. It will make your green veins to be very obvious. For me personally, when using this body lotion, I don't actually have any need to pair it up with a body oil. So if you want to also use a lotion that you don't want any body oil, you just want a body lotion, probably you don't like body oil, this lotion is very good to use on its own without pairing it up with body oils. I'll say this lotion is very good for repairing hyperpigmentation, because at the time I was using this body lotion, I was hyperpigmented, so using this body lotion actually lightened my hyperpigmentation, and it really worked well because you know when you are hyperpigmented, your skin is darker. So when you have a product that lightened up your skin, you just get that good feeling about your skin looking brighter and no longer looking dull and dark. So if you have hyperpigmentation, this lotion is definitely going to work well for you. So if you have a damaged skin barrier, like you know your skin barrier is damaged, your skin is now sensitive, your skin is now red, you're not having this itchy skin, I would actually say this lotion might not be very good for you, because reason this lotion is a lightening lotion, and repairing the skin, you actually don't need a lightening lotion for that. And this lotion has fragrance, so I don't know if you might be sensitive to the fragrance in the product, because when you have a damaged skin barrier, you want to actually stay away from products that are very high in fragrance. So you might want to repair your skin first before trying out this lotion. If you are wondering if this lotion is good for the face, well, I actually tried it on my face because I was using this lotion mainly on my body before. I was not using it on my face. So I said, since I'm going to give review about it, let me also use it on my face to see the effect of the lotion on my face. And guess what, guys, this lotion actually brightened my face as well. Like, it really lightened my face. But the thing is, after days of using this lotion on my face, I started noticing acne on my forehead, and I still kept using it to see if it was actually the lotion. I know I hardly get acne on my face, so I know it's supposed to be the lotion, but I still decided to stretch it a little bit and use it for like a week. But the acne just started getting worse, and I quickly stopped it. And the moment I stopped it, I think 2-3 days, I didn't even know how the acne even cleared out. So this lotion, for me personally, is no good for the face. It will lighten your face, like even help clear hyperpigmentation on your face, but the thing is, it might give you acne if you have a skin like mine. It might give you acne on your face, so I wouldn't try this on my face anymore. Just in case you're also wondering, since this lotion is a lightening lotion, will it give you dark knuckles? This lotion doesn't give dark knuckles, and it doesn't give discoloration, because I have seen a lot of lightening lotion, you use it, you start getting dark knuckles, just associated with the green veins. But this lotion was mainly green veins. It didn't give any dark knuckles, it didn't give any discoloration. It even helped a lot with discoloration, like trying to even out your skin. Yeah, I think this lotion to some point helps to even out the skin. Yeah, this lotion helps to even out the skin. So now you know the good part of this lotion and the bad part of this lotion. Now let me tell you guys how you can use this lotion to get a good result, to avoid the bad side of this lotion. If you have a skin like mine, because some people actually said the lotion darkened their skin. For me, who actually experienced like 3 shades lighter from this lotion, I would say don't use this lotion every day. That's like the first step in using a lotion that is a lightening lotion. You don't want to use the lotion every single day. For me, I was using this lotion morning and evening. So you don't want to use it every single day. I would say just use it at night, maybe like 4 times in a week at night. At least that will reduce the way you get your results faster. That's if you still insist in using this lotion 4 times in a week, preferably at night time. You can just make this your night lotion. Then you get another body lotion for your morning skincare routine. That will reduce the probability of you getting green veins from this lotion and also exposing your stretch marks. When you're using this body lotion, you also want to make sure you don't pair it up with other lightening products. So what I mean is that if you have a lightening soap, don't use the lightening soap with this lotion. If you have a lightening body oil, don't use the lightening body oil with this lotion. And again, if you have a lightening body scrub, don't use it with this body lotion. So every single thing you're going to be using with this lotion will be a mild product. But you don't even need to pair this lotion with a body oil. Like this body lotion on its own already give a glowing skin. But if you don't mind, you want to blind us with a glow, then pair it up with a mild body oil that doesn't lighten the skin. With that, you're going to get the result of this lotion. So right now, I'll be rating this lotion on a scale of 1 to 10 because I have used various lotions. So this lotion to me stands in 8/10. I actually love this lotion so much, but the thing is, it also has a bad side of it, so you need to also know. So outside the bad side of it, the lotion is an 8/10. So that brings us to the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to see you in my next video.